Good morning, my dear third grade students. Welcome back to your class. How are you, children? I hope you all are good. Okay, children, as we completed our third lesson, right? So today we are going to start our new lesson, isn't it, children? Today we are going to start our next lesson, that is fourth lesson. Before going to the fourth lesson, I will ask you some simple warm-up questions. Okay, children? So, children, first question. You all studied about the planets in the second class, right? Can you name the planets? Yes. How many planets are there? We have 8 planets. Isn't it, children? We have 8 planets. Isn't it? You all know names of the planets also. Isn't it? So, which planet name the planet on which we are living. Name the planet on which we have a life on it. Which planet, children? In which planet we are living? Yes, we are living on the Earth planet, isn't it? Earth is a third planet. Isn't it, children? Earth is a third planet. Next question is, who gives us heat and light for us? Which object will give us heat as well as and light for us? Name that, children. What is that? Yes, it is sun. Isn't it? Due to the sun's heat, we are getting light as well as and heat also. Isn't it, children? So, today we are going to discuss about the sun and the planets. This sun and the planets will form a solar system. Isn't it, children? The sun and the planets will form a solar system. So, today our lesson name is Universe and the Solar System. What is our lesson name, children? Universe and the solar system. So we are going to learn what is universe, what are there in the universe, what is there in the solar system, how it will form the solar system. We are going to discuss. So let's start our class. Get ready with your textbooks. Open the page number 196. Okay, children, open the page number 196. So before starting the lesson, we have some beautiful pictures in the textbook. Let's see the pictures. Let's get started. These pictures are there. First picture, did you see, children? What is that picture? Here you can see, first I will read, children. You have to listen. You have already learned about some of the objects seen in the morning and night sky in class 1. Let us see if you can identify them. Filling in the blanks with the help of the pictures given below. So children, you all learn about these pictures in the first class and the second class, right? So let us see, did you remember or not? So first picture, we have here sun, clouds, tree, isn't it, children? So the dash is visible in the sky during the day. So what is visible, children, during the daytime? What you can see in the sky during the daytime? What we can see, children? Yes, we can see sun, isn't it? We can see sun during the daytime, isn't it or not? Due to the sun, we are getting heat and light. So next picture, here the dash is visible as a white ball at night. So it's looking like a white ball, isn't it? Sphere shape. It's looking like a white ball. What is it, children? At night time, you can see a white ball in the sky. What is that? Is it a ball to play? No, what it is? Yes, it is a moon, isn't it? So moon we can see in the night time. Daytime we can see sun. Night time we can see moon. And next dash can be seen twinkling in the night sky. So children, twinkling. Twinkling means shining. What are the objects which are shining in the sky? Like you. How you are shining? So like that, what objects which are shining we can see in the sky? What are they, children? Yes, they are stars. Sometime you will play with the stars, isn't it? By counting the stars, isn't it, Nana? By looking at the up in the sky, you are counting the stars. You play a game. Here one star is there. There one star is there. You will count it, isn't it? So we can see the twinkling stars which are very shining at the night time. Did you remember? Did you all learn about these topics in the first class and second class? So in detail we are going to learn in the third class. Okay. So first picture is in the daytime we can see the sun, and in the night time we can see the moon, and some are the other objects which are shining in the sky, that are stars. Isn't it, children? So write down there. So let us learn more about the sun, moon and the stars. So we will discuss about the sun and the solar system. Okay, we can see the sun in the sky during the day. It gives us heat and light. It is a big ball of fire very far away from the earth. The solar system is made up of sun and the 8 planets. Planets are huge round objects that move around the sun in fixed paths called orbits. Planets do not have light of their own and reflect the light of the sun that falls on them. So children, you all know that in the daytime, just now I told that in the daytime we can see in the sky sun, isn't it? At the night time we can see the moon in the sky. So sun will gives us heat and light, isn't it? Sun will gives us heat and light. So it is look like a big ball, isn't it? Sun will in a round shape, children, isn't it? So it's look like a big ball of fire. Why it is called as a fire? Because it gives us heat for us, isn't it? It gives us heat as well as light. So it is a big ball, and it is very far away. Duranga undi. It is very far away from the earth, isn't it? Can we catch it? No. If we see that, if we see the sun, it is very far away from us, isn't it? We are living on the earth. If we see the sun, it is very far away from us. Next, solar system. In the solar system, what is there, children? The sun and the 8 planets are there, isn't it? The sun and the 8 planets will form a solar system, isn't it? You all know about the planets. I will discuss that topic also in this lesson. So these planets are also a huge round objects. Huge means very big, isn't it? These planets also very big. Imagine, children, we are living on the earth, isn't it? Earth is a 3rd planet, right? Earth is a 3rd planet. We are living on the earth. So these many people are living on the earth. These many natural resources, these many things are there on the earth, isn't it? So imagine how it is very big, isn't it? It is very huge. The planets also very huge. So these planets as well as sun will form a solar system. Next, these planets, they are fixed around the sun, isn't it? They are moving around the sun in a fixed path. Path means, children, way, isn't it? So that fixed path is called orbit. That fixed path is called orbit. So planets do not have any light, children. They do not have any light. They will get the reflection of the sun. Due to the sun's heat and light, due to the reflection, they will get a light. Planets will not have any own light, isn't it? They will get a light from the sun. So I will show the solar system picture, children. This is our solar system picture, isn't it, children? This is our solar system picture. So this is sun, isn't it, children? These are the planets revolving around the sun. These are the planets revolving around us. So these are the 8 planets, children. These are the 8 planets revolving around the sun. So the sun is a huge ball of fire. I told you, no, the sun is a huge ball of fire. So here the sun and every planet will fixed in a path. Did you observe, children? Every planet will fixed in a path. Did you observe these circles? Yes, did you observe these circles? These circles are called as paths. Way to revolve around the sun, isn't it? They have a way to revolve around the sun, path. So this path is called as orbit. What it is, children? Orbit. O-R-B-I-T. Orbit. Okay. So in this orbit, they will revolve around the sun. They have a fixed orbits. So in this orbits only they are, suppose this first Mercury planet is there. It will revolve around the sun on its own orbit, children. It will not go to other orbit. It will fixed in that path. It will fixed in that orbit. So it was revolving around that own orbit around the sun, isn't it? So first planet, that is Mercury, Venus. Next, 3rd planet Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So we are going to learn all these planets in the next class. Okay, children? So each planet, what is the name of the planet, what is there in the planet, we will discuss in the next video. Okay? So today we are going to learn about the solar system. Okay? So solar system, this sun and the 8 planets will form a solar system. And this is a huge ball of gas, and each planet is fixed in a orbit, isn't it, children? So children, today I will give a simple task for you. This is the introduction of our class. So today I will give a simple task for you. Just answer these questions. Mention the lesson name in your classwork. Lesson name, lesson number 4, universe and the solar system. Write the heading universe and the solar system as well as date also, children, and write task of the day. Okay, I will give a simple questions for you. You write the questions. Let's see the questions. Task of the day. First one, name the 8 planets. Name the 8 planets. Second one, name the planet which have life on it. Name the planet which have life on it. Third one, what gives us heat and light? What gives us heat and light? Children, answer these 3 questions in your classwork. Write the heading task of the day, lesson name, and write these answers. Questions as well as answer. You have to copy the questions and as well as answers also. Okay, children, write the answers and then send to my personal WhatsApp window. Thank you, children.